Today we're going to discuss why any edge restraint on the market using a spike of any sort is not a viable solution for open grade base. We're going to be getting into doing some testing, but before I do so, I want to make one very clear point. Any edge restraint using a spike has been specifically designed for dense grade application, not open grade. Pave Tool's HD hybrid edging was designed specifically for open grade base using a stake instead of a spike. Let's show you how this works. Both the stake and the spike are non-galvanized material, meaning that they will rust in the ground. And you want that because they create a large mass on the steel itself, which helps with the integrity of it. Now you might be thinking that if that's the case, a spike might be a viable solution, and that is wrong. The spike is going to take years in order to create that mass, and by the time it does create that mass, the edge restraint will already start the failing. The test speaks for itself. You cannot use a spike on open grade base. It has no integrity. The two biggest job site failures is your base and your edge restraint. Last thing you want to do is have to go back and replace edge restraint. It's costly and it's extremely frustrating. If you also want to see why concrete might not be a good solution, watch the video on the screen. Thanks again for watching.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.